name is J.U. I live in Parker, Colorado. After we stayed in this house for several years, we decided we would like to finish our basement. And Universal Home Renovation was referred to us by a friend, and we also interviewed several other contractors. Finally, we decided we like to select Universal Home Renovation to finish our basement remodeling project. After we went through several months of construction, and actually the construction complete in March 2020, it's almost a year now, we're really happy with our decision to choose Universal Home Renovation to work on this project. I think I can show you around and discuss several things we feel really good about Universal Home Renovation. The finished basement, the work of finished basement start right here, and the Universal Home Renovation did all those works. Oak floor did a really good job. And here is one of the things they suggest to me, and we adopted. I think it worked out really well. And it used to be this is a wall, a solid wall, and then I think that's going to block a lot of lights and make it more like a restricted area. And Russ with Universal Home Renovation, and he gave us idea is essentially just take out the wall and replace with the railing. I think it turned out to be looks really nice, and their craftsmanship is really great. The overview of the basement and their windows, and there is a bar there, and we kind of like to have a bar, and at the beginning we don't know exactly where to put it. I think Russ with Universal Home Renovation gave us idea. I think that's the best location, and finally we do believe this is the right location for the bar. And also he also helped us pick the color and pick the granite, and everything when it's all put together, I think it looks real nice. Then if you look into the left direction, and that is kind of a few more rooms there, and also like a media room. This is a French door, and it's kind of like a gym, and the kids kind of like this. Bar, I think first is we don't really have a lot of experience for building this bar, and essentially Russ helped us kind of design the size of the bar, each size of the door, and there's two level, what kind of granite we're going to use, and also the upper wall cabinet. Those upper wall cabinet, there's a different variations. I think Russ kind of with Universal Home Renovation help us pick the size of the door, and doing all the details. Essentially is when it's put together, it looks good. Yeah, I think I don't know exactly the terminology of those type of glass, but I think one is clear and the one is, I heard the terminology say it's kind of flooded. Come up with the idea. I think here is probably a better place for the movie theater, and when you see, so if someone in the future in the bar area, they can also see the movie, and if we can take advantage of this place as well. So after compare with some other options, I think finally we feel this is a better place. And Russ did really great work for installing those dry walls, and he recommend we doing this 2-level ceiling. I think it turned out looks very nice. and all the trims, floor trims, including the color of the floor, and he had a lot of good suggestions. Only bedroom in the basement. See, here is this is the bathroom, and Russ really helped us to design the bathroom, and where is going to be the shower pan, where is toilet, where is the sink. So everything, I think, worked out really well, and we're happy about this, and the layout, the size, and also the coordination of the color. And I think that's we really appreciate Russ have some really good ideas, and we're essentially just approach it along his ideas. The final product, when we all put together, it's amazing. And here's the laundry, and it used to be in upstairs, and we were like to move the laundry downstairs to make more room for the upstairs. So Russ with Universal Home Renovation kind of helped us to size this the space, not too big but not to be too crowded. And also he suggests we doing a granite countertop here, and also, you know, cut air shape off. It's just some variation, but when it comes together, it looks nice. Overall, we're really happy with Universal Home Renovation as a company, as a contractor. They did great work, and we really appreciate their craftsmanship. I stay here for like a year now, and didn't see anything I'm complaining about, and everything was great. And overall, they keep their promise, and they say they're going to finish this in 4 months, and they did. And also, everything is under budget. When we start talking with them, they give me a budget. I think it's very. After everything come together, they're within the budget and under the schedule. So we're really happy we gave this project to Universal Home Renovation, and they come up great. They did really good job here.